Hello guys, this is Prime Concept. We have another problem on the board, very simple problem to analyze. And the question says, what current will will this array draw from a 35 volt battery with a negligible internal resistance if we connect it across, question one is terminal AB. If we connect it across terminal BC and then terminal AC. So I'm going to solve the first and the second, and I'll allow you to solve the third one and drop the answer in the comment section. Now watch. The first question we want to find the current across terminal AB. So if we are considering terminal AB, it simply means that 10 ohms and 20 ohms are automatically in series. So this is going to be a continuous line. So it means that these two are in series, right? And if they are in series, we're going to find their equivalent. Now their equivalent is going to be, I'll call it R equivalent 1. So it's going to be 10, which is this, plus 20, and this is going to give me 30 ohms. Now, if you watch, by the time you resolve these two into one and it becomes one, automatically it's going to be in parallel with 15 ohms. Now, let me quickly draw that. So this is our 15 ohms. This is terminal A, and this terminal A, and this terminal B. These are 15 ohms. So it's going to be in parallel with our 30 ohms. So this is what we then have. So these are 30 ohms. So we want to find the current that will flow through. Now, first we have to resolve these two in parallel. So the equivalent for those two is going to give us, remember when you have just two resistors in parallel, you do product over sum. Product is going to be 30 times 15 divided by 30 plus 15. So if we do this, let me get my calculator. If we do this, we have 450 divided by 45, which is 10. So this is going to give us 10 ohms. Now, I want to find the current. Remember, they said if it is connected across a 35 volt battery source. So according to Ohm's law, current I is going to be V by R. So which is what now? Our V is 35 and our R is 10. So our answer is going to be 3.5 ampere. So the current is going to be 3.5 ampere. Now quickly, I'll be solving the second part, times B, if it is connected across terminal BC. So I'll quickly run that. Now, if it is now connected across terminal BC, automatically 15 and 20 are going to be in series. So if you consider that, you're going to have R equivalent 1 in this case is going to be 15 plus 20, which will give us 35 ohms. So this is what we have. Now, since these two have been resolved, these two would form one resistor which becomes in parallel with this. So I'm going to have something like this. So this is going to be my B with a value of 10 ohms, B and C, right? Now then these two, since they are now one, I'm going to draw it like this again. So this one is 35 ohms. So I want to get the equivalent for this. So the equivalent, remember, these two are in parallel now. So I'm going to have 35, that's their product, 35 times 10 divided by 35 plus 10. So this is going to give us 350 divided by 45, right? And 45. So if I divide, I have 350 by 45, going to give me 7.78 ohms. So this is what I have. So the next thing I want to do is to find the current using Ohm's law. I is V by R, and my V is 35, right? 35 divided by my resistance now, which is 7.78. So if I punch this, I would have, so I would have 4.5 ampere. So my current is going to give me 4.5 ampere, and this is very simple. And the third question there is to find the current across terminal AC. So I'm going to leave you to apply the same concept as explained in solving that. So when you solve that, drop your answer in the comment section and let's see if it is correct, right? I believe this concept is very clear. Thanks for watching my video. Do subscribe to my channel, like, and then share with your friends so that they can also benefit. Remember, this is Prime Concepts. Thank you.